Baby and Me campaign is the last sequel of a saga. It's been 15 years now since we talk about Live Young, about youth that is a question of attitude and not a question of age.
Evian est une marque franco-française et au moment où on arrive avec les bébés rollers, on mondialise Evian.
We don't want to go for a functional benefit. We want this brand to become a love brand.
Et ça s'est fait grâce à YouTube. Tout d'un coup, les gens pouvaient partager cette émotion-là aux quatre coins de la planète.
What we know how to do really well, or we're getting there, I think, is creating the greatest content and making it very fluid on the web so that it reaches millions.
On voulait faire ce lancement mondial sur YouTube et le relayer à la télévision.
I think the new product, which is the TrueView system, where you're not imposing, you are making the ad visible, but people can opt to stop after 5 seconds, is to me probably the greatest way to advertise on the web.
C'est parti comme une fusée.
On Baby and Me, we have more than 5% shares on the video, which helped us to raise the number of views.
En une semaine, on savait déjà qu'on irait beaucoup plus loin que les bébés rollers qui étaient déjà allés très loin.
We even reached 70 million views with copies that were not the one we had designed. They had changed the music. I even saw one with the Harlem Shake recently. This is not advertising, this is an entertainment program. There is a tension, exactly like in a movie trailer. There's enchantment, there's music, there's sound, there's optimism. It's a very open message.
People attribute this to Evian because they love that campaign and they want to know who did it.
Ça a tellement bien marché qu'on a généré un succès phénoménal sur une appli qu'on a créée en parallèle, où les gens pouvaient créer leur propre bébé, faire une idée avec laquelle les gens ont envie de jouer. Ça, c'est fabuleux et c'est ce que YouTube permet.
Choosing YouTube is a no-brainer. We are into permission marketing, and what YouTube enables to do is actually to make the great contents available to everyone.